Hello students, myself Mrs. Tanuja Dhiren Yadnik. We are going to study the second part of the lesson Natural Regions Geography Standard 7th. Before I start with the explanation of the natural regions second part, let's have revision about what we have studied in the first video. Children, we have studied in the first video the differences in landforms, climate and soil. Natural regions, then we had taken in detail information about natural regions from poles to the equator. In that we have studied tundra region, taiga region, grassland, steppes and prairies region, hot desert region, grassland, Sudan region and equatorial region. In the second part of the video, we are going to study in detail natural regions standing out due to local conditions. In that, we are going to study monsoon region, Mediterranean region, West European region. Afterwards, we are going to study natural regions standing out due to specific continental locations. Then we are going to study natural regions and the diversity in human occupation in monsoon region, equatorial region, taiga region, tundra region and grassland region. Afterwards, we are going to study the natural resources and at the end, we are going to studying why earth is called as one single family. So let's start with the second part of the video. Natural regions standing out due to local conditions. First, monsoon region. This region is located in north and south of equator between 10° and 30° north and south parallels. This region receives rain in specific season from south to west monsoon. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forest are mainly seen in this region. Many types of animals and birds are seen in this region. People from this region are mostly involved in primary activities. Mediterranean regions. This region is located between 30° and 40° parallels in both the hemisphere, in between in the western parts of continents. Dry summers and rainfall in winters are the main climatic features of this region. Trees with thick, small and oily leaves are found in this region. Grass in low rainfall areas and coniferous forest in mountainous areas are also seen. Domesticated animals are found in large numbers in this region. In ancient times, Greek and Roman civilization flourished in this region. Let's take information about West European region. This region is located between 45° and 65° north and south parallels in the western part of the continents. It rains throughout the year in this region. Climate in this region is mild. Green grasses are seen all the year around this region. Trees in this region shed their leaves in winter. Animals are found in large number in this region. People from this region are industrious and enthusiastic. They are mainly involved in the secondary and tertiary sectors of the occupation. Let's take information about natural regions standing out due to specific continental locations. There are certain regions on the earth that stand out because of these specific continental locations. For example, the China type region, St. Lawrence region, etc. Natural regions and diversity in human occupation. First, monsoon region. The main occupation of the people in the monsoon region is agriculture and the activities related to the agriculture. Equatorial region. The main occupation of the people from the equatorial region is based on forest produce such as gathering gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. The main occupation of the people of the taiga region is lumbering, as taiga is a softwood forest. The main occupation of tundra region is hunting and fishing is the main occupation of the people of the tundra region. The main occupation of the people of the grassland region is the agriculture, farming, extensive farming, and the activities related to the farming. Let's take information about the natural resources. Significant differences are found in the environment and available natural resources in the different natural regions. The use of natural resources depends upon the progress in science and technology of the particular region. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of a particular region also affect the use of natural resources and the life of the people. Let's take information why we called as the earth as a one single family. Not only human life but also the entire living world on the earth depends on the available natural resources. The concept of the earth is one single family will become a reality only if we think of all the living organisms while utilizing the natural resources. So we should utilize natural resources sparingly, carefully, so we can take proper usage of these natural resources, because the sources are very limited. Children, this is all about the regions, natural resources, okay, and their uses. After this, I am going to give you small assignment which you are going to write in your classwork notebook. Till that time, bye bye. Stay home, stay happy, take care of you and your family. Bye bye. Thank you.